Hi, this is John with NETGEAR here at ISE 2020. We're here talking to our partner Paul at Aurora Multimedia. Paul, tell us what's new at the show.
Yeah, hi everybody, thank you. We're having a good time at ISE and we're introducing a new product running on the NETGEAR M4500 series, a new class pack product from them. It's an aggregator that could do over 100 gigs per port, 40 gigs and 10 gigs. And what's new about this is we're using their internal processor to run our web server-based, IP-based team manager, which allows us to control SDVoE products, especially the Aurora products that we sell already, the Aurora transceivers, the IPX series, as well as our SDVoE wall plates. And what it allows us to do is we could serve up from inside of it without any external equipment or software, all the different things that allow us to control the system and the solution from the NETGEAR switch. We could do all the matrixing, routing, firmware upgrades, enterprise class, statistics, alerts, you name it, we could do it all. What's even more impressive about this is we've recently ported our rAVe control system engine, which is our open architecture IP control. So in the same exact server, we are running in it a rAVe control engine. And whether you write it in your own code, using JavaScript or HTML5, or use our drag and drop tools, we can write code or interfaces that will serve up web pages that are fully customizable like any other control system on the market, except anything that goes through this switch, we can automate, control it. At 8 o'clock, do this, this, and this. 5 o'clock, do this, this, and this. This string comes in, parse it, do something else. It's a full-blown control system running on a Pentium class processor, all open architecture called rAVe, R-E-A-X. And that is our presentation for the day. If you'd like to find out even more detailed information about it, you can go to auroramm.com. And thank you for today. My name's Paul Harris, and this is
John Henkel with NETGEAR, netgear.com. Thanks.